Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be sharing my productive morning routine. This is the back to school edition because the kids are back in school. So I hope you guys are all doing amazing, and we're going to go ahead and jump right in. So now my mornings consist of me waking up at 5:45 in the morning so I can do all the things that I want to get done before I have to get my daughter ready for school. In the morning for me, I am cold. It is hot in Arizona, but we have our AC running at night. So in the morning, I like to be cozy in sweats. Then I just go downstairs, put on my slipper, and that is when my Remy, our lab, he comes looking for me. He hears me walking around and comes right to me for love-ins and so he can get his morning snack. After that, I'll go ahead and make a cup of coffee. I cannot start my day without making coffee first, you guys. I get up early in the morning, but I still need some support with waking up. So currently these are two favorite coffees, and one is more of like a sweet treat, something that I don't have every day because it's like dairy and sugar. And then the Seattle's Best is like our go-to coffee. And I typically drink that black with a half a packet of Truvia. So it really just depends on how I'm feeling that day. So on the mornings that I'm gonna do some type of workout in my room, I just grab my coffee, go back upstairs and just chill on my bed and check my messages and comments and emails until I'm ready and a little bit more awake to start my workout. So once I am a little bit more awake, I will go ahead and make my bed so it can set the tone of the day and just keep me from laying back down in it. So I've been loving this all-purpose spray. It is so amazing. They are a locally owned business here in Arizona. It's non-toxic, and this is an all-purpose spray so you can use it anywhere. So for me, physical activity has been a huge part of my daily routine, and to start my day off right and just make sure I have a really good day, whether it's going for a walk, a bike ride, a workout program, or even yoga. So I've dabbled in yoga for years. I've recently taken it more serious since my therapist explained how it may help soothe my nervous system, which my nervous system is frazzled from my anxiety disorder, and studies have shown that yoga may reduce stress and anxiety. Besides that, I also use it for the aches and pains and tightness that I have. Just, getting older and all of those things, your body becomes more tight. So it just really keeps me feeling good inside and out. So for yoga, I don't take a shower right after. If I was to do a typical workout, I do. I jump in there even if it's just like 4 minutes. But for yoga, I just don't get that sweaty. So since I'm on crunch time in the mornings, I just do a few basic things just to get me ready before I have to take Ava to school. So I'll wash my face. I will go ahead and brush my teeth. I also put on my Renu. This is a serum that helps with my pigmentation and just lightening those post-acne scars. And then I will go in with my SPF because I do not leave the house without SPF on. So today I've partnered with FitTrack, and I wanted to share this FitTrack Smart Scale with you guys. My family and I have been using it and loving it. This scale measures 17 health metrics beyond just weight. It's a complete body analyst scale that gives you insights on your body and health, such as your metabolic age, muscle mass, bone mass, hydration, and more. The hydration feature is vital to avoiding dehydration and making sure your body has what it needs to function properly. You can use this scale to reach different health and fitness goals. The app will track up to 8 different profiles. So my oldest is focusing on his growth. My husband is in a weight loss journey, and I've been focusing on building muscle and making sure I stay hydrated during the hot season. So the protein level is another great feature. It reflects the percentage of protein found in your body. Protein plays a critical role in both your physical and cognitive health. So protein is also an essential building block of bones, muscle, cartilage, skin, and blood. So this is an important metric to monitor regularly. So I love the stats and data this smart scale tracks and the personalized insights that are easy to access right from your phone. New parents can also access the infant mode, which is super cool. You can keep the whole family healthy together. I will have their link down below with a 20% off discount code. Thank you, FitTrack, for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So now that I'm done with my morning task, I just go ahead and get Ava dressed and ready. She does wear uniforms to school, and she loves to dance, as you guys can see. Then we make her breakfast. On this morning, my husband was still home, so he made us breakfast, which really helped this mama out, especially since I'm trying to film this routine this morning. So now it's almost time for us to leave, so I'll go ahead and do her hair real quick. And her school does require for her to wear her hair back. So it can be a ponytail, a braid, a bun, anything like that. So these are the products that we use for her hair, and these are actually non-toxic sprays. We've been using them in her hair since she was a baby. Then she'll go into the bathroom and brush her teeth. We have been loving this Unicorn Sparkle toothpaste. We've been using it for quite a few months now. She really likes it, and she's really good at putting her toothpaste away when she's done. Then I got these super cute leopard shoes from Target. She loves these. They're one of her favorite pairs this year. So then this is the time I'll get her water bottle ready. She takes a water bottle with her to school every day. I'll grab her a snack to put in her backpack for snack time, and then we'll go ahead and head out the door. So the really cool thing about Ava's school is that they do the Pledge of Allegiance and announcements every morning outside with their classmates. So all of the classes will be outside, and the parents are allowed to be involved. So we do have to stand back a ways on the field, but we're able to participate and watch our kids go into the school. So I do that every morning with her, and it takes about 15 minutes, and then she'll go ahead and walk into the building, and that's when I go home. So when I come home, I go ahead and jump in the shower so I can get ready. I also pick out my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing on this particular day. And then on this day, I just had a lot of editing to do, so I didn't even put on makeup. I don't wear makeup every day of the week. So I'm just brushing my hair, putting it up in a clip, and then we're gonna head downstairs. So before I start working, I do want to get the house put together a little bit. So just kind of wiping the countertops down, clearing off the kitchen table, doing some dishes before I sit down and start working for the day. So this is the end of my morning routine. It typically consists of me either sitting down at my desk and editing for hours or filming a video all day until I have to pick up Ava from school at 2:30. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what our back to school morning routine consists of and how I keep my mornings productive so I can have a successful day. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new, consider subscribing. Don't forget to check out Fit Track. The link will be down below in my description box, and I will see all of you guys in the next video. Bye.